Yeah, I did like, in total with all the brands, I had done like 300K in revenue, 100K in profit. Most of the products are, I did in total like 250 million views. I was doing like 10K days. That type of style, I did like 30K that month in profit.
All right, bro. TikTok shop, huh?
Yeah.
You're into that.
Yeah.
So walk me through everything. I mean, I think people are very interested in TikTok shop and how things work over there, how different it is to organic. And you also did organic and made some money with there, but then you scaled on to being an affiliate on TikTok shop. It's an insane opportunity. It's really, really good if you know what you're doing. So I think it would be really interesting to share your entire experience, explain what the products are, what a good product is, what good content is, what the differences are.
Yeah, so I started like 1.5 years in organic. I did about like 50K. And then I saw the opportunity of doing TikTok shop. And also it was in Spanish, like, because my English is not that good, but Spanish is my fluent language. I'm from Spain. So I saw the opportunity because like there's 1/3 of the population speaks Spanish there. It is so much easier to go viral because there is not many creators like in the Spanish niche.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was great. Also, I was teaching my sister because I saw the opportunity. And then on December, I saw like a really good style of video, like working in Spanish. So I told my sister, okay, do it exactly like this in English. She speaks really, really good English. And let's see. So I did the video as good as I could. And then like the second video that she did, it went also viral. So my sister, she started also in September with me. Like in 3 months, she made like 70K in revenue, like 15K in profit.
Crazy.
So it was amazing. And with that type of style, I did like 30K that month in profit with just that brand.
It's insane. Total, you made over 100K profit, right?
Yeah, I did like, in total with all the brands, I had done like 300K in revenue, 100K in profit. It was amazing. There is like a style of video that instead of filming yourself, it's like AI. So you will take like a video of a doctor, you will clone the voice, 11 labs, and then you will put whatever you want. You do like an edit. And also with that, I did like 30K
really
in 3 months.
Maybe you can show all the things. It would be really interesting.
Yeah, most of the products are supplements.
Yeah.
You have to be careful what you say, what you don't say, because they will ban your account. So I have a few banned, so I can't go in, but my main account where I have made like most of my money. So in October, it was like 20K. When I started in June, I don't have that account because you have to buy like the accounts, like $400 to buy an account. Sometimes they will not scam you, but like if you buy it and you don't do it correctly, like you don't change the password and everything, sometimes they will lock in and they will lock you out. And you will lose the account. So I didn't know that. So I lost it. So this is October. I did like 20K. November, I did 5K. December was like the big month. I did like 22K.
Nice. What you said your sister was part of it?
Oh, no. I have it in another phone.
I see.
Yeah, because he was doing in English, so I didn't want to mix.
Got it.
So he did 72K in January. I was doing like 10K days. This is not like Shopify. Then on January, I did like 30K, and now it's getting more slower. February, March, like 2K. And also they are doing like a rebrand, so I can not sell anymore. Like they are starting because there were a lot of copies of that brand. So a lot of people, they were getting scammed. So they have a rebrand. Yeah.
Maybe you can show the content. It would be really interesting. Yeah. And then maybe also explain why it's good, what is good.
Also, I have a lot of views, but a lot of the views is from Mexico.
Yeah.
So they can convert. So it's not that many views. Like normally you will get for 1 million views, like 20K in revenue or 15K.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah. So I found a lot of success with like why the celebrities like XXX doesn't age. That was a perfect hook for people because it was like celebrities. So everyone knows a lot of celebrities and why they don't age. So I had like the perfect audience for, people that they didn't want to age.
Yeah.
So I was like, also like the Substance, it's a really famous film from a few months ago. So before I had a lot of success with celebrities, I don't celebrities age and that things. So I thought, okay, let's start with the Substance. So I had the first success. First of all, like I started like doing it with my voice, like my face. And then I changed it with a voice of AI.
Yeah.
And it did much better, like the AI voice with like pictures.
Envejecido en 17 años. Y como te explicas que Chayanne luzca igual que hace 20, Shakira luce como si tuviera 30 años. Y ni decir Jennifer López.
Esta doctora explica cuál es el secreto de estas celebridades. Así que escucha atentamente antes de que se deshagan de este vídeo.
Explain what's good about this. Let's go through everything. Like, how do you start? What's the hook?
Everyone knows like Sofia Vergara.
Yeah.
Like in Spanish niche. I searched like the most famous people of not aging. Like, who is the person that looks young, but they're like old. So it was like Sofia Vergara and the rest. Actually took the concept of one video I saw that was viral. So I use it. I say, okay, I'm going to use this hook, and then the laptop method. Do you know the laptop method?
No, explain it.
So the laptop method is if you want to sell like a supplement like magnesium or vitamin V or something like that, you search like for a good clip of a podcast of a famous doctor, and then you record it. So there you have like someone that knows a lot, like a proven concept, like someone that like a professional is telling you that this is good.
Yeah.
So people say, okay, I'm hype. I want this because you can sleep better. You are going to be more relaxed. You're going to concentrate better. If a doctor is saying that, it's true. So they're like hype. First, attention. Then like the laptop, like the clip of a podcast of a famous doctor. And then you sell the product. I started without showing my face.
Yeah.
But because I'm doing it in the USA, nobody sees me in Spain. So it's the same. And you sell more. So I started doing with my face, and then you sell a product. You have lower levels of NAD. You will like get older faster, and you sell it. And then in the CTA, you say, okay, I have this product. I have been using it. It has worked fantastic for me. Like I have more energy and then you say if you want to buy it, you can click here in the button. And the good thing about TikTok is like you can buy it straight away.
Yeah.
So it's amazing. Like the conversion is
insane.
It's insane.
It's insane.
And also the conversion from Spanish to like English, I thought it was going to be lower. It's actually like the same.
Yeah.
Like maybe you will get 20K per million in Spanish and maybe 25, 30K in English. It's more or less the same.
Yeah.
And it's easier to go viral.
No, for sure. If you can make that style of content, it's definitely like the way to go. The whole affiliate route is just so easy because of the conversions.
Yeah.
So it is ridiculous. A lot of people are afraid that they have to show their face with affiliate. Would you say it's necessary, or would you say AI also can do the job?
I think like if you want to make good money, you have to show your face 100%. And the good thing about that is like entrance barrier. Not everyone speaks good, and not everyone wants to show the face.
Yes.
But in reality, like some friends of mine has seen it. They have laughed they're making money
yeah, of course.
Yeah. Like I remember having a 10K day, 30% commission, 3K in one day. And I was like, I'm making a good Spanish salary in one day.
Yeah.
Because in Spain, there's a really shit.
No, of course. And I think it's more cool than not.
Yeah, and you have a face, a testimony.
Yes. Do you have any videos which are in English on the other accounts which you can show?
If the substance isn't real, then what are celebrities such as Kendall Jenner or Justin Bieber wearing that they can show in public? And how do you explain that Lindsay Lohan looked like this last year and now she looks like this? Donatella Versace looked like this last year and now at almost 70 years...
You say that these conspiracy theory looking...
Yeah, and also it's really controversial because you are asking what are they using?
Yeah.
So people they will comment that they are doing adrenaline or baby's blood, or they will comment a lot of...
Yeah, makes sense.
Years old looks like this. Madonna looked like this before, and now she looks like this. And let's not even talk about Christina Aguilera. This was her appearance a year ago, and this is her appearance now.
Kendall Jenner and Hailey Bieber have something to say about this, so please watch very carefully before they delete this video.
I don't know what's wrong with me. And I talked to a doctor the other day. You can have heightened cortisol, I guess. And that's probably, my cortisol levels probably haven't evened out yet. Yeah. It's definitely very strange. I'm 2 months out now and I still don't feel.
So a big part of the job is going to be finding the right clips and making sure it's perfectly fitting in the storyline. How do you go about this?
The clip is so important.
Yeah.
I have one Spanish clip that I was the first guy that found it. I made just that clip. Well, of course, other type of styles, but this clip, showing this clip, maybe I have done 100K in revenue. Yeah. Just that clip.
That's crazy.
Because first, I didn't know how TikTok shop worked. So I just got that clip and I put it on my TikTok account. My conversion was so fucking high because I just put the clip and then something saying buy it here.
Yeah.
The last 5 minutes. 5 seconds. And it was 50K per million views. I got banned before getting 500K or more. But that video got 3-4 million views. So if I didn't get banned, because you are not allowed to take a clip and that, I would have made so much money with just that clip. And then I did instead of just putting the clip, I just recorded and doing this type of videos, you know?
Yeah.
Hook with this video and then selling it.
Interesting.
That's just the clip. Like people that were dressing themselves with, like, you know, like doctor clothes and dentist clothes. So I bought that just to try it, and it's the same without not. But you can see there that my sister put the clothes.
Felt so sick, and there was no explanation for what was going on. So now that we have all of the answers and we know what it is and we know how to alleviate it and fix it, and you know, I think he's honestly not only healthier than he's ever been, but on the road to maintaining a healthier life than he's ever had.
The problem with NAD is that as we age, our levels decrease, especially at the age of 25-30. And that is why around that age, we start aging way faster and start seeing all those lines under our eyes. You might even start feeling joint and muscle pain. No matter what you take or you do, you're tired all the time. And the worst thing is you can barely concentrate and forget every little thing. But thankfully, we have products like this one over here of NAD. It's a product we always recommend, and it also has resveratrol and NR, which allow NAD to get absorbed way faster. Just take one of these once a day and you start seeing how it starts working.
Like the whole frame is just pretending to be a crazy expert, and
it doesn't matter. Like I have tried with or like normal clothes.
Yeah.
Same.
That's not even what I mean. I mean using stats and like numbers and things like that. Just like pretending you're actually in the thing very, very deep. You've done all your research. And then basically this is the best thing you can recommend. You've tested it all. This is the best one. This is kind of the frame you have, right?
Yeah, like, and people like maybe will think like, this is wrong, but like this product actually works. Like, it's one of the top brands on TikTok Shop and has like a really good reviews, like 4.4. You know, and they have done like 30 million revenue this year. So it's like, it works. Like, I'm not going to take it because I'm 21, but for people like 30, like.
We're not going to take it because it's fucking, you get cancer off it.
No, I don't think so. I think.
No, I'm joking. Yeah, no, of course. Like supplements are great. Like if you have a good supplement, it's a good supplement, obviously. I think obviously the claims are a little over exaggerated, but like in the end, the product itself is going in the direction and it's good.
Yeah, you have to like exaggerate it.
Yes. Do you always position yourself as the guy who recommends, or do you sometimes also position yourself as a brand owner who created the product?
No, I'll recommend.
Always recommend.
I haven't think about it.
Yeah.
But I think it's better to recommend.
I think so.
Because if you are the brand, you just want to sell. But if you are like someone that has tried it, you will sell more.
Yeah. Is there any controversy or any specific things you like put in there to make it more viral, or do you not think like that? It's more about making a good storyline.
I think the hook is viral. It has controversy, and everyone knows about this type of people. Yeah. Because when you say, what are they using? And then there's like something like this. Yeah. People will like comment whatever they think.
Yes.
And then you are telling it's NAD. So people say, no, this is not NAD. This is that. So you can see there, like, where are all the baby blood?
Where are all the children?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other videos which are super interesting? Maybe like something else, or is it all this style?
So what it works really good, like it's so important, like the hook. It's like the hook is like 80% of everything, or 90%.
Yeah. Because in the end of the day, you have to get them to watch 3 minutes. Like 3 minutes is a long time. So you have to make sure that they are hooked right away.
So you have to have like really good hook and then a really good video.
Yeah.
Like I do the same body in this type of videos, the same.
The same one?
Like the selling thing at the end, after the clip.
Oh, like the speech.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I say the same thing in all the videos. I just changed like the hook or the video.
Yeah.
But the hook is so important. Like when Trump was elected, it was like big news, Trump from Trump. So someone did a video like Trump just came in office and he's going for the most predatory industry in the world, that is the pharmacy. Then there was like a clip of Donald Trump saying that he's going to, they spend the most money in the world, but it's like the worst, something like that. And then you say, yeah, so Trump was saying about this, and look what his friend Dana White told. And Dana White was telling him that, like a doctor.
So Daddy Trump got out and he just made JFK's brother the Secretary of Health. Not only that, he's also going after one of the most predatory industries on the world. Watch this.
We have a public health system that does not deliver in times of disaster, yet more money is spent on it than any country anywhere in the world. All of this will change starting today, and it will change very quickly.
And even this doctor got silenced because of something he had to say.
Share with you the absolute best vitamin, and I'm not talking about vitamin D. Vitamin D is great, but there's something else that's amazing. I stumbled on this by accident. I was taking this vitamin. I never took it before. Go to sleep, wake up, and I just noticed, like, all this stiffness that I would normally have because of all the injuries to my spine.
I think what's really good is that sentence your sister said with like, this doctor got exposed, watch this. It's like, or silenced. It's like you're waiting for that.
Yeah.
And then like every transition is like, okay, wait for the next crazy thing. It's like an open loop.
So the average view, type of view. So if it's high, it will be viral.
Yeah.
So it works like that.
Yes.
So that's why, like, if you have like the perfect hook, like if Trump, like right now, today is president and you do the video like few weeks ago, like, and you're one of the first, like you go viral because you have like tension and then you can transition to another clip.
Yeah.
And then you can sell it. So it's
very interesting.
Also it's like knowing what else is coming, you know, like when the fires of LA it was in LA happening, like people got viral because of the,
No, it is what it is, like trend hopping.
you
Big.
just need to connect one with another. You need to make sense. It's like a piece of art. So you have to go have like the right hook, the clip and the transition, the other clip, and you know.
Yeah. And like if you're just generally looking into TikTok Shop and you're not sure if you should start with like organic dropshipping with Facebook ads or shop affiliate, it really depends on your situation. Now, everything has an upside and everything has a downside. With affiliate, the main thing is showing your face, being more confident in that type of content. And this is definitely a barrier. With organic, the conversions are going to be a little lower than something here. So there's no perfect thing. There's always going to be downsides and upsides. Now, it really depends on your situation. What would you say? Who would you recommend affiliate for and who would you not? Because we have like in the program, when we get started with a new person, we decide whether they should start with affiliate with shop or whether they should do regular organic. And it really depends on the situation. It's also Facebook. Like we have like 3 branches in the program. And what do you think? Who is the most fitting for this?
Like you can speak good, but you don't have to speak like that good because you can edit the videos. You can like repeat the scene like all the time. So like I will suggest like everyone to try TikTok Shop because I think about it like it's much easier than TikTok Organic.
Yeah.
Like if you are not scared of showing your face and you speak good, you can speak to the camera. Also, you can learn to speak to the camera. I will suggest to start in TikTok Shop. Also, if you are Spanish, I will suggest starting. if you know how to speak Spanish, it's so much easier to go viral in TikTok in USA.
In general, to summarize things, what was the most helpful about our program? What was your experience like with us?
So I started in Michael's program. I got success like in the first month, second month with Woody Hoodie. I did like 10K.
Yeah.
But then I found my winner. I did around 50K. There was like a winner in USA, the Stash Box, and I did in Spain, and also I got success with that. So like in total, maybe with organic, I did like 80K, 80K in revenue. Having calls with Jacob, like I was with a really good product, but it didn't go viral. And Jacob told me, okay, change this. Like I changed that. That was so simple. I thought about it, but I wasn't 100% sure. But when Jacob told me, I just did it. So I got like 20 million views in one video, 30, like I was going fucking viral.
Yeah.
And so that gave me a lot of confidence doing viral content. And also because I did in total like 250 million views with all my videos, TikTok and Instagram. So as thanks to Jacob, like
Jacob's the best. So overall, if you're interested in either organic or TikTok Shop affiliate, we have 2 branches in the program, and basically we have the head of the whole shop thing, Tristan, and he's just the best. Like he also like recently the case study we did was Costify, just like gave him a product and instantly like 60K with it just like in the first month. Yeah, if you're interested in either of those, you can click the link below, send up for a call. We can see if everything is a good fit. Hopefully you're going to scale to 1 million soon.
Yeah, I want to scale with affiliates.
Yeah.
So I want to do like a machine, like I don't know, as much as affiliates as I can.
Yeah.
I want to like to teach them.
Yeah.
And starting with friends, you know, teach them. So they will give me like a percentage of the profit. Yes. I have done that with my sister.
Yeah.
And
it's the best.
She had done 70K. So I want to do the same.
Yeah. And then it's passive.
And it's passive. Yeah.
Yes.